So what if you could actually own your digital self and help rebuild the internet from the ground up?
Let's dive into the core problem Web4 wants to solve, this whole user acquisition nightmare. Their idea is pretty wild. What if the users themselves were the infrastructure?
Okay, so this whole vision is built on a 7-layer model, and it all starts with you.
At the very foundation, you've got UIID. Think of it like your own personal digital passport.
It's meant to be the one key you need for payments, transit, and your ID online.
All right, once your identity is set, you need the backbone. That's layers 2 through 4.
Layer 2, Vivon, is your entry point. You could call and chat using just your UID.
Then there's Arctic, a cloud powered by us, the users. No more giant centralized data centers.
And layer 4, Helion, is the brains of the operation. It's the GPS for this whole new network.
Okay, the infrastructure is cool and all, but what can you actually build on top of it?
Well, Layer 5 gives developers free AI tools to build apps without needing old-school databases.
And this is where it gets really interesting. Layer 6, Atrium, lets anyone build their own super app.
And how long does it take to build a whole platform?
Get this, just 30 seconds.
Seriously, you just describe your idea and an AI literally builds and deploys the whole thing for you.
The goal here? Something like WeChat, but with better design, more AI, and totally decentralized. All right, let's get to the final layer. This is where it all connects back to the real world. WYNIX is a whole lineup of hardware, phones, AR glasses, even personal microservers. So their game plan is smart. First, get the users with IDs and apps, then roll out the hardware.
And they're not thinking small either. They're targeting a market worth $1.5 trillion.
Really? It all boils down to this one powerful idea. Let's just build a completely new internet.
So that leaves us with a big question. Is this the actual future, or just a really ambitious dream?